Hey everyone. How y'all doing today? I think we may all know by now that JD has submitted his opening brief at the Court of Appeals in Virginia. But, if you haven't already seen the filing or you don't know quite exactly what it's about, I thought I'd make a few quick summary videos in sequence. So, let's take a look at Argument 1. So here is Argument 1. Mr. Waldman is an independent contractor, not an employee agent, and Mr. Depp is not liable for Mr. Waldman's allegedly tortious conduct as a matter of law. The statements, counterclaim statement, by non-party Adam Waldman that are the subject of Ms. Heard's counterclaim, are not actionable statements sufficient to support a claim for defamation. Ms. Heard failed to present any clear and convincing evidence that Mr. Waldman made the counterclaim statements with actual malice. This is pretty much JD's summary claim. This means that Amber hadn't presented enough facts for this part and it should have been thrown out before the trial. In this, JD is saying that there wasn't any evidence whatsoever to support Amber's claims, and therefore, it shouldn't have been presented to the jury. It's saying that Adam was an independent contractor and not being controlled by JD. He didn't tell Adam to make those statements, and he wasn't authorized to say them. And, even if the statements were true, there was no actual malice. Actual malice, in legal context, is that he have known it was false, or he acted in a reckless disregard for the truth. So, in a nutshell, JD is basically saying, where is the evidence to support Amber's defamation claim? And, where's the evidence that it was done with actual malice? He is also explaining that as an independent contractor, and not an employee agent, JD is not responsible for what Adam says or does, and that he should not be penalized for this at all. Well, that's a very brief summary of Argument 1. I hope that it has been useful. Look out for Argument 2, which will be out shortly. Until then, enjoy the rest of your day and thank you for being here.